Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying the device and iOS version because Jcid relies on specific builds to communicate. Once confirmed, make sure battery is at least 50% and enable airplane mode to avoid interruptions. Next, install Jcid plus its USB drivers on your computer and trust the developer profile on the iPhone. This lets Jcid access hardware. Now connect with a high-quality cable and choose the correct device entry in Jcid. These steps prepare the tool and prevent common handshakes from failing mid-process. You now run Jcid repair routine. Start with the Face ID module diagnostics to read trust zone and secure enclave flags, because knowing the state explains what repair path to take. Once done, upload the appropriate Jcid payload for your device and follow prompts to reflash calibration and repair pairing records. Jcid will rewrite key blobs if possible. Make sure to watch the log output for any UID mismatch or 0x style error codes, and stop if you see repeated failures so you can reassess settings. To finish, reboot and immediately complete the Face ID setup flow so the secure enclave regenerates pairing data. Test with several angles and varied lighting to confirm reliability. If Jcid reports failure, export the session logs and compare the device UID and SCP/trust zone versions. Mismatches explain most breakdowns. If needed, retry the repair using the original motherboard pairing information or restore a verified SCP blob. That tip often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.